This is my unboxing video of the One Wheel Plus XR. I don't know much about them, other than this one has extended range battery, 12 to 18 hours, top speed of 20 miles an hour depending on your weight, everything else. So, let's see what's in the box. Now I have opened it to charge it. It does come with a manual about telling you all the good stuff about it. And then there it is. So the charger is here, which I have here, and you just plug this little adapter right into there. It does red to green when it's fully charged. So, as you can tell, it is brand new. No scrapes, but I imagine that it will get dirty quick. Then you have on and off button right here. So I will do a screen sharing to see how to set it up now. Here's the board, 92% charged. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is so... This is so different. Oh my. So, first thoughts, Milo, it keeps you balanced. It just, Milo, I don't know really how you turn. Oh, like that. About an hour into riding it, I was still really wobbly, as you could see, going down a bump for the first time. As you can see coming into the garage, this is about 2.5 to 3 hours in riding this thing. I still could not figure out how to maneuver going right or left. It's not like a skateboard to where you lean. It's more, if you're trying to turn right, you put weight in your back right heel and weight in your front left foot. It's very complicated because it does keep you level, it's just hard to turn. I can't seem to figure it out. Well, that about wraps it up. I wanted to give you an idea on how you can learn how to ride this, or how difficult it is from a beginner's standpoint. Unfortunately for my lifestyle, the one-wheel XR definitely wasn't for me. If you have any questions, feel free to message me and I will answer them as best as I know. Please like and subscribe, it helps me grow my channel.